Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Maggi lentil soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Maggi lentil soup mix, 1 cup of red lentils, 2 cups of water, and your choice of vegetables like carrots and celery. Make sure your kitchen tools, such as a large pot and a cutting board, are clean and ready. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process from start to finish. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of red lentils under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any impurities. Next, dice 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks into small, uniform pieces. In your large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat, then add the diced vegetables. Sauté them for about 5 minutes until they become tender and fragrant. With your vegetables softened, it's time to combine everything. Add the rinsed red lentils, the entire packet of Maggi lentil soup mix, and 2 cups of water to the pot. Stir well to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Bring the soup to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. After 20 minutes, your Maggi lentil soup should be ready. Check the lentils to ensure they are tender and fully cooked. If the soup is too thick, you can add a splash more water to reach your desired consistency. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro for an extra touch of flavor. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade lentil soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.